Hello, adventurers! Today we are going to do an unwrapping of the Birds of Prey Blu-ray DVD and digital combo pack. Now, this Blu-ray has a very nice shine to its slipcover. Now, and also, this was the last movie that I had seen in theaters, and I seen it with my girlfriend. So we're going to go ahead and take the plastic off here, and we're going to see exactly what's inside of this particular Blu-ray. So, there's the front. Here's your spine and the back that tells you all the special features and the synopsis and whatnot. All right, we're going to go ahead and open the case, and you're presented with a nice light blue Blu-ray disc, your digital code, and a purple disc for your DVD. I'll put that back in there and close it up. There's the back again and the front. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video.